Hey guys, this is Pidama for Fun here, and today we have Beyblade specials again. And today is Craze Sickness versus Blitz Unicorno, and today there will be only one person playing this. So yeah, so let's give Craze Sickness launch first, and then Blitz Unicorno. Offensive baby. Whoa. Craze Sickness has a wide defense, so yeah, it is not that easy to get it out from the stadium, and also has a lot of stamina. So looks like Blitz Unicorno has lost its stamina, and maybe Craze Sickness would win. Yeah, just like I thought. And one for Craze Sickness, and second round. Oh, that doesn't count. No. That doesn't count. I will launch it again. Okay, it's really wow here, and you can hear it rumbling sounds of Craze Sickness, cause it have 2 layers of metal, and 2-0, and looks like Craze Reja is gonna win here. So yeah. Okay, now it gets hit, and yep. And maybe Craze Sickness will win. Nobody knows. Yeah. So Craze Sickness won, and today the winner is Craze Sickness.